I wanted to show you how to disable the split keyboard in Gboard as of Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving 2025. I noticed that when I turned my phone sideways, I had a nasty split in my keyboard. So this is how I fix it. Um, Turn the phone sideways and hit the four square button on the far left in the middle. Then go over to, where did I hit it? I thought it was a calculator button. It's just to the right of the settings uh, cog, next to next to and between the palette button. So if you hit that one there, that will split your keyboard. And then if you hit it again, you can get it back to normal. Now, if you want to uh, adjust it, if you like the split keyboard, you can actually redo it from here. You can resize it. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. All sorts of stuff. I'm gonna. I think that's all I need to show you. Go ahead and play with it yourself and enjoy. I hope this helps someone. It sure helped me because I was losing my mind. So have a good night. Bye bye.